Hello student, today we are going to learn rhyming words. Rhyming words means यमक जुळणारे शब्द. Filling the blanks using the following words. खालील शब्दातून रिकाम्या जागा भरा. In bracket, doll, hat, can. First, mat, hat. Pan, can. Ball, doll. Read the following sentences and make pairs of rhyming words. खालील वाक्य वाचा व त्यातील सारख्या उच्चाराच्या शब्दांच्या जोड्या बनवा. First, I saw a cat sitting on a mat. In this sentence, cat and mat are rhyming words. Second sentence, Mummy gave me a ball and a doll. In this sentence, ball and doll are rhyming words. Third sentence, shopkeeper is selling can and pan. In this sentence, can and pan are rhyming words. Match the pairs. योग्य जोड्या जुळवा. Pot, cot. Net, set. Moon, soon. Complete the sentences using proper rhyming words given in the bracket. खालील चौकटीत दिलेल्या शब्दातून सारख्या उच्चाराचे योग्य शब्द जोडून अर्थपूर्ण वाक्य तयार करा. For example, a cat is sitting on a dash dash. In bracket, bed, chair, mat. Correct word is mat. A cat is sitting on a mat. म्हणजेच या उदाहरणामध्ये cat या शब्दाच्या उच्चाराशी जुळणारा शब्द आहे mat. First, I want to sell my golden dash dash. In bracket, rope, bell, ball. I want to sell my golden bell. In this sentence, sell, bell are rhyming words. Second, my mother baked a dash dash for me. In bracket, bread, cake, dosa. My mother baked a cake for me. In this sentence, bake and cake are rhyming words. Read the following rhyming word pairs. खालील सारख्या उच्चाराच्या जोड्यांचे वाचन करा. Carrot, parrot. Nurse, purse. Flat, hat. Jogs, logs. Rose, toes. Can, van. Read the following sentences aloud about rhyming words. खालील वाक्यातील सारख्या उच्चाराच्या शब्दांचे वाचन करा. First, the king gave me a ring. In this sentence, king and ring are rhyming words. King, ring. Second, I had sand in my hand. In this sentence, sand and hand are rhyming words. 3. The cat chased the bat. In this sentence, cat and bat are rhyming words. 4th, Mom will bake a cake. In this sentence, bake and cake are rhyming words. 5th, the mouse is in the house. In this sentence, mouse and house are rhyming words. Encircle the word on each row that rhymes with the word on the left. प्रत्येक ओळीतील डाव्या बाजूच्या शब्दासारख्या उच्चाराच्या दुसऱ्या शब्दाला गोल करा. great. Correct rhyming word is plate. Speak, girl, leak, draw. Correct rhyming word is lick. 3. Sell. Sell, look, bin. Rhyming word is sell, sell. 4. Beer, pot, man, share. In this sentence, bear and share are rhyming words. B. Find rhyming words from the textbook and create your own sentence using such words. पाठ्यपुस्तकातून सारखे उच्चार असलेले शब्द शोधा व वापरून स्वतः काही वाक्य बनवा. Next, parallel activity. Give cross sign to wrong rhyming pair and give right sign to correct rhyming pairs. सारख्या उच्चाराच्या चुकीच्या जोडीला फुली, हे, तर योग्य जोडीला बरोबर हे चिन्ह वापरा. Star, car. This is correct. This is correct rhyming pair. Lamp, jar. This is not rhyming pair. Pan, can. This is rhyming pair. Dog, cow. This is not rhyming pair. Rain, train. This is correct rhyming word. Encircle the words that rhyme with given word. खाली दिलेल्या पहिल्या अक्षराच्या सारख्या उच्चाराचे शब्दांना गोल करा.